Welcome to Capitalists versus Consumers, where we break down how money really works and show you how to start building income that works for you. Today, we are covering one of the most surprising passive income opportunities available right now: making money on Etsy without making anything yourself. Most people think Etsy is only for handmade crafts and physical products. But the reality is that some of the highest earning Etsy shops sell exclusively digital products that they created once and sell unlimited times with zero inventory, zero shipping, and zero physical production. Today we are going to break down exactly how it works, what sells best, how to set up your shop, and how to build it into a consistent passive income stream. Quick note before we get into it: everything we cover here at Capitalists versus Consumers is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Some links mentioned may be affiliate links, meaning we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Please hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss a report. Let's get into it. First, let's clear up the misconception about Etsy. Most people picture Etsy as a marketplace for handmade jewelry, pottery, and custom gifts. And while those products do sell on Etsy, the platform has evolved dramatically over the past several years into one of the largest marketplaces for digital downloads in the world. Digital products on Etsy, files that buyers download instantly after purchase, now represent one of the fastest growing and highest margin categories on the entire platform. And here is the key insight: when you sell a digital product on Etsy, you never touch inventory. You never pack a box. You never go to the post office. The moment someone purchases your product, Etsy automatically delivers the file to them. The transaction is completely automated from start to finish. That means every sale, whether it happens at 2 p.m. on a Tuesday while you are at work or at 3 a.m. while you are asleep, processes and delivers without any action from you. That is passive income working exactly as it should. What digital products sell best on Etsy? Not all digital products perform equally on Etsy. Here are the categories with the strongest consistent demand. Printables are the single largest digital product category on Etsy. These are files, typically PDFs, that buyers download and print themselves. The most popular printables include planners and organizers, budget trackers, habit trackers, meal planners, gratitude journals, wall art and home decor prints, kids' activity sheets, educational worksheets, wedding planning documents, and party decorations. The appeal of printables is instant gratification. A buyer decides they want a budget planner, finds yours on Etsy, pays a few dollars, downloads the file, and has it printed within minutes. No waiting for shipping. No worrying about damage in transit. Instant delivery every time. Canva templates are the second strongest digital product category. As we covered in a previous episode here at Capitalists versus Consumers, Canva has over 150 million users, most of whom need professional-looking designs but do not have design skills. Canva templates for social media posts, business presentations, resumes, media kits, and real estate marketing materials sell extremely well to this massive audience. Notion templates are growing rapidly. Notion is a productivity and organization tool used by millions of people for everything from personal journaling to business project management. Pre-built Notion templates for budgeting, content calendars, client management, habit tracking, and business operations are in strong and growing demand. Digital art and clip art bundles sell consistently to other creators, bloggers, teachers, small business owners, and crafters who need visual assets for their own projects. If you have design or illustration skills, a clip art bundle or digital art collection can sell thousands of times. Spreadsheet templates for Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel are underserved on Etsy relative to demand. Budget spreadsheets, business trackers, invoice templates, and project management spreadsheets appeal to a practical audience willing to pay for a well-built tool that saves them hours of setup. SVG files for cutting machines, specifically Cricut and Silhouette, are consistently among the highest volume digital product categories on Etsy. People who own cutting machines are constantly looking for new designs for t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, and home decor. If you have any design skills, creating SVG files can generate extremely high volume sales. Fonts and graphics bundles, typography and design element collections sell well to the large community of designers, crafters, and content creators who need fresh assets for their work. How to set up your Etsy shop for digital products. Step 1. Create your Etsy account and open a shop. Go to Etsy.com and click Get Started. You will be prompted to create a buyer account first, and then you can open a seller account. Choose your shop name carefully. It should reflect your niche, be easy to remember, and ideally be available across social media platforms so you can build a consistent brand. Etsy charges a 20-cent listing fee per item and takes a 6.5% transaction fee on each sale. There are no monthly subscription fees to open a basic shop. Your startup cost is essentially the listing fees on your first products. Step 2. Create your first digital product. For printables and templates, the most beginner-friendly tool is Canva, which has a free plan. Design your product, export it as a PDF for printables, or as a Canva template link for Canva templates, and save it ready to upload. For Notion templates, build your template inside Notion, duplicate it as a template, and share the template link. Your product file is simply the link delivered as a PDF document with instructions. For spreadsheet templates, build your spreadsheet in Google Sheets or Excel, clean it up, add instructions, and save it as a downloadable file. Step 3. Create compelling product listings. Your listing is your storefront. Every buyer decision is made based on what they see on your listing page before they purchase. 3 things drive conversions more than anything else. Mock-up images. Showing your digital product in a realistic, attractive context. For a printable planner, this means showing the printed planner on a desk with a coffee cup and a pen, making the buyer visualize how it will look in their life. Canva has mock-up tools built in, and Etsy sellers routinely use tools like smart mock-ups to create professional product images. Great mock-up images are the single biggest factor in whether a listing converts. A clear descriptive title, include what the product is, who it is for, and key search terms your buyer would type. For example, monthly budget planner printable, instant download, letter size, PDF, minimalist design for women. Every element of that title serves a purpose. A detailed description. Explain exactly what the buyer receives, what file formats are included, what sizes are available, how to download and use the product, and what software, if any, is needed to customize it. Anticipate every question a buyer might have and answer it in the description before they have to ask. Step 4. Set your price. Individual printables and simple templates typically sell for $3 to $9. Template packs and more comprehensive products sell for $15 to $45 or more. Do not underprice. A $3 printable that took you 3 hours to design is not a good use of your time. Focus on creating comprehensive, higher-priced products or bundles that command $15 or more per sale. Step 5. Optimize for Etsy search. Etsy has its own search algorithm, and understanding how it works is essential for getting your products discovered without paid advertising. Use all 13 available tags on every listing. These are keywords that help Etsy match your product to buyer searches. Think about what your target buyer would type into the search bar and use those exact phrases. Include keywords naturally throughout your title and description. Etsy's algorithm reads both when determining search relevance. Earn reviews as quickly as possible. Etsy's algorithm heavily favors listings with positive reviews. In the early days of your shop, focus on creating products so good that buyers naturally leave 5-star reviews. Consider offering excellent customer service, quick responses, clear instructions, follow-up messages to encourage positive feedback. How to drive traffic to your Etsy shop. Etsy has built-in search traffic, which is one of its biggest advantages over selling on your own website. But relying only on Etsy search limits your growth. The sellers who build significant income combine Etsy's organic traffic with their own external traffic sources. Pinterest is the most powerful external traffic source for Etsy digital product sellers. Pinterest functions as a visual search engine, and its users are in a highly commercial mindset. They are specifically looking for products and ideas. Create pins that showcase your products attractively and link them directly to your Etsy listings. A well-designed pin can drive traffic and sales for months or years after you post it. Your YouTube channel is another powerful driver. Creating videos related to your product niche, budget tips if you sell budget printables, productivity content if you sell Notion templates, design tutorials if you sell Canva templates, and including your Etsy shop link in the description creates a continuous stream of warm traffic from viewers who already trust your content. Instagram and TikTok are effective for showing your products in action. Short-form videos showing the before and after, a blank template becoming a finished professional-looking document in minutes, are highly shareable and drive both awareness and sales. Scaling your Etsy shop. The sellers who build substantial passive income on Etsy do not do it with 1 or 2 products. They build catalogs. Every new product listing is a new potential income stream. A shop with 50 listings in a focused niche generates income from 50 different search queries, 50 different buyer types, and 50 different points of entry. A shop with 2 listings has almost none of that diversification. The most effective way to scale is to start in a specific niche and go deep. If you start with budget printables, create 10 different budget planner designs: weekly, monthly, annual, minimalist, colorful, for couples, for families, for students, for businesses. Each variation targets a slightly different search query and a slightly different buyer. Your shop becomes the destination for budget printables rather than just a shop that happens to have one. Then once you have established traction in your first niche, consider expanding into adjacent niches. A budget printable seller might expand into financial trackers, savings challenge sheets, and debt payoff planners, all closely related to the original niche and serving the same core audience. Bundle your products. Create bundles of your best-selling individual items and sell them at a slight discount to the individual prices. Bundles increase average order value significantly and give buyers who like your style an easy way to get more of your products in one purchase. What makes a successful Etsy digital product seller? The sellers who build meaningful passive income on Etsy share a few common traits. They are consistent. They add new products regularly rather than listing 10 things and waiting. Each new listing is another opportunity to be discovered. They obsess over their mock-up images. They understand that buyers cannot hold the product before purchasing, so the images have to do the selling for them. The best Etsy sellers invest real time in creating mock-ups that make their products look beautiful and aspirational. They respond to customers quickly and professionally. Even with digital products, customer questions arise about file formats, printing sizes, customization. Shops with fast, helpful responses earn better reviews, which improves search ranking, which drives more sales. They track what sells and make more of it. Every successful product tells you something about your audience. The best sellers pay attention to which listings get the most views, favorites, and sales, and create more products in that same style, niche, or format. The bottom line: Etsy is not just a marketplace for handmade crafts. It is one of the most powerful platforms available for selling digital products to a massive built-in audience of motivated buyers. And because digital products require no inventory, no shipping, and no physical production, every sale is nearly pure profit that happens automatically, whether you are working, sleeping, or on vacation. The barrier to entry is low. The startup cost is minimal. The income potential is real. And the passive nature of digital product sales means the income compounds over time as your catalog grows. You do not have to make anything with your hands to build a successful Etsy business. You just have to create something valuable and put it in front of the right people. That is a wrap on today's breakdown here at Capitalists versus Consumers. If this opened your eyes to an opportunity you had not considered, please hit the like button. It helps more people find this content. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly breakdown every Friday after the close and our daily after the bell market report every trading day. We will see you in the next one. Resources mentioned in this video: Etsy Seller Handbook, available at etsy.com/seller handbook. Side Hustle by Guillebeau. The Digital Nomad Handbook by Lonely Planet. This video contains affiliate links. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you.